Hello everyone and welcome to Multichain AI Agent, a powerful AI-powered agent built using Bit.ai that enables seamless cross-chain transactions and wallet management across Bitcoin and EVM chains straight from your Near wallet. My name is Kamal and I famously go with 0xKamal7. I've been a blockchain developer from 5 plus years of experience. I've been multiple times hackathon finalist and I have been a member of Developer DAO and hacking at Near Protocol for quite a while. So I decided for Redacted Hackathon to build Multichain AI Agent, which is a revolutionary solution that bridges the gap between different blockchain networks through an intelligent AI assistant. So built on Near protocol, I utilized Bit.ai to build this agent, and powered by Bit.ai, it provides unified interface for managing crypto assets and executing transactions across multiple chains. So we utilize chain signatures inside the AI agent. The key features of this project include cross-chain address management. So you can just derive your Bitcoin and Ethereum address from any custom derivation path. For example, here you can see that I have put a prompt build an Ethereum transaction to transfer this much ETH to this address using path of Ethereum 1. So it uses first derive ETH transaction tool call. So it derives my Ethereum address from my Near wallet itself, and then it builds the Ethereum transaction. Other features include secure key management through multi-party computation, real-time balance checking across multiple chains. Here you can also see that with the derived address, we also have the balance of your Ethereum address fetched in real time. Smart transactions building. So this AI assistant would help you to build transactions for both Bitcoin and EVM chains, automated gas price optimization for Ethereum transactions, support from custom data payloads in transactions. What this means is you can directly come out here and tell the AI agent to build a cross-chain multi-chain transaction, and it will just build the payload, and you just have to sign it utilizing the chain signature and this multi-chain AI agent. You will just have to sign from your Near wallet, and it will go ahead and execute the transaction for you. Other features include secure signing process where we have MPC-based transaction signing through your Near wallet, no private keys exposed during the signing process, multi-layer security checks and validations, AI-powered assistance. So it is so simple that natural language interaction for transaction creation, intelligent path derivation suggestions, and automated chain selection based on the user intent. So let's go and now see the problem statement. So the problem statement is simple. Managing assets across multiple of these blockchain networks is very complex and error prone, requiring users to handle multiple wallets and private keys, understand different transaction formats, navigate across network specifications, deal with complex derivation paths. And then you have to manage security also across different of the chains. We came up with a solution for multi-chain AI agent that solves these challenges by providing a unified interface for all chain operations, abstracting complex cryptographic operations to MPC, utilizing AI to simplify user interactions, and the fourth being ensuring security through Near protocol's robust infrastructure and automating this cross-chain transaction building and signing part. Now let's go ahead and do a live demo. Here is my coding interface. Here is my coding interface where we have these tools like derive Bitcoin transaction, build the Bitcoin transaction, sign the Bitcoin transaction, derive the E transaction, and finally build the E transaction, and then the user would be able to sign it. Let's run the development server. So here I have written the bit.ai interface. So now it would redirect me to here. The local tunnel would be running out here. It would ask me to register the Bit AI agent. I will just register it. And once I have registered, it would open the new interface where I would be able to talk with my multi-chain AI agent. So yeah, what it can help us with near transactions, Bitcoin transactions, Ethereum transaction, also sharing on social media. So let's write some prompts. So here we have, so I will come out here and simply write generate me my or derive my Ethereum address with this path. And we can change the path and it will derive a different Ethereum address. And yes, it came up with our derived address, which is 0x03, and we have a public key on the Ethereum chain, and we have the balance of 0.01 ETH as it tells us. We can also go ahead and check this and verify this on the Ethereum Explorer. And yes, we are seeing that this is our Ethereum address and it has 0.01 ETH. So the AI agent is working correctly. Similarly, we can just go ahead and generate our Bitcoin address with this path. And you can change different paths to get different Bitcoin addresses. And this utilizes the derived Bitcoin transaction tool call. And this is our derived Bitcoin address, and it has a balance of 0.002 BTC. And it really works. Now let's go ahead and see by building an Ethereum transaction. So if we copy a prompt like this for time saving, so build an Ethereum transaction to transfer this much ETH to this address using this derived path. So it will first go ahead and derive, since we have already derived our Ethereum address, it's directly going to build the Ethereum transaction, and it comes us with some answers where it says that now it has built the payload for the transaction, where it has signer ID, which is my account address at near. The receiver ID is this, and it's an MPC call, which is a function call with this much payload and gas and deposit address. Now it has built this Ethereum transaction to transfer, and it is ready to sign and send this transaction. And we can just go ahead and sign this transaction. This is an MPC call for this transfer instruction. Similarly, we can build any custom payload and execute those on different chains like Ethereum and Bitcoin. If we take a look at the code part, then we have this instruction where it takes all the parameters inside the chat, and then it creates a custom payload, and then it creates the transaction for signing this MPC transaction, which now we retrieve it and give it for the user to sign. The multi-chain AI agent on Near leverages AI for seamless blockchain interoperability, advanced DeFi possibilities, and enhanced user experience, as you saw, aligning well with various hackathon bounties, particularly in chain abstraction, best of AI, best DeFi. And with the growing demand for multi-chain solutions and simplified blockchain interactions, this project offers a comprehensive tool for both everyday users and DeFi enthusiasts. So let's finally see the architecture diagram. So this is the architecture diagram, how it looks like on the user interface and working side. So we have this user interface, which is with the AI agent, and we have made different tools like that for deriving and executing the Bitcoin and Ethereum transactions and signing and executing them on the MPC part. We have some core services like Ethereum service, Bitcoin service that these tools are utilizing as an API. And Ethereum service and Bitcoin service, they have key derivation part, and they interact with the Near protocol MPC contract v1.signer.prod testnet, and it calls the Near wallet. And we have these external networks like the Bitcoin, it is mempool space API, and for Ethereum it is Sepolia mainnet and Bitcoin it's testnet part. So all this is how the tools part interact with services, and then with external networks like Bitcoin and Ethereum to interact with the Near MPC contract for signing and execution part. This diagram shows it well. Now let's come to the main part for the use cases. So use cases are a variety of use cases that this project opens up, like cross-chain transaction management, allows users to seamlessly build, sign, and execute transactions on both Bitcoin and Ethereum through a unified Near interface. Chain abstraction for better user experience. This simplifies your blockchain interactions by letting users manage assets and execute transactions on different chains directly from Near. On-chain AI-powered agents enable developers to create intelligent multi-chain agents that can autonomously execute transactions, monitor balances, and manage assets across chains. This repo would be open source, so different developers can utilize it. Now, secure multi-chain DeFi interactions. All the transactions are secured, and users can create Bitcoin-backed loan on Ethereum or generate multi-chain yield farming transactions via simple commands. And now cross-chain DAO and voting mechanisms. So this we have implemented extends the DAOs on Near to interact with assets on Bitcoin and Ethereum, allowing decentralized governance across chains. So here I have built this multi-chain DAO, which is a fork form of Astra++ DAO, and we have made several changes to execute cross-chain transactions inside these DAOs. First of all, we are loading the components from 127.444 localhost. Now this is how our Astra++ DAO looks like. As you can see that these are all the DAOs interface, and here you will find all the global proposals. This is the most common DAO framework being utilized on Near, and it is actively maintained. Now if you see any DAO like Aurora, DAO.Sputnik, .DAO.Near, here you will see the proposals part, and utilizing our AI agent you can now create proposals, and you have these options like execute Bitcoin transaction and execute Ethereum transactions along with other proposals part. So you can just create a Bitcoin transaction proposal where you will see that treasury is stored in Bitcoin on the Near protocol, Near DAO. So like transferring 0.01 BTC or swapping the 0.01 BTC into USDC on Bitcoin, you can just create that proposal and get the voting on the Near, and then execute them on the Bitcoin transaction part using this AI agent. So a DAO on Near can vote on a proposal that triggers a Bitcoin purchase or an Ethereum contract execution, centralizing governance across ecosystem. Others are like programmable yield aggregation and management, enhanced security, data privacy, AI agent plugins for enhanced wallet capabilities, and the hacker's choice and community engagement, where this project's multi-chain and AI features can draw community interest, especially if positioned as an engaging user-owned financial tool. this is how the future roadmap looks like, where we will have support for additional blockchain networks, cross-chain atomic swaps, enhanced AI capabilities for DeFi operations, and layer 2 scaling solution support. The multi-chain future is near. As blockchain technology evolves, the need for seamless cross-chain operations become crucial, and our project is a big solution towards it, or a big step towards it. So, and this is how all about our project. Hope you loved it. Thank you.